Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so activation doesn't stall. First, check your iPhone model and iOS version because dual eSIM needs recent hardware and software. This prevents compatibility errors. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and have the carrier QR or activation code handy, or install the carrier app. Now open Settings and go straight to Cellular. This launches the eSIM flow. Don't waste time troubleshooting later. Start the activation sequence immediately. You add the eSIM by tapping Add Cellular Plan and scanning the carrier QR code. This signals the iPhone to download the eSIM profile. If scanning isn't possible, manually enter the SMDP Plus and activation code the carrier provided. Alternatively, open the carrier app and follow its activation prompts, because some carriers simplify authentication there. Once the plan installs, label each line and choose which one handles voice, SMS, and mobile data. This avoids confusion when both lines are active. You finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure both eSIM profiles initialize cleanly. Then verify signal bars and place a quick test call or browse to confirm data. If activation fails, toggle airplane mode, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and rescan the QR or re-enter activation info, because transient network or provisioning delays are common. If problems persist, contact the carrier before removing profiles. If directed, remove and re-add the eSIM to force a fresh provisioning cycle, which usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.